Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol PLTR. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, the downwards pressure on this one continues, so certainly some updates here need to be made. First thing I'm going to do is just a bit of an adjustment. I'm going to go ahead and adjust this area of resistance now down to right there at, what is that? $23.50. So that'll be definitely the initial area of resistance, meaning if this little consolidation here can start to curl back upwards, the big question mark becomes, all right, yeah, that's great that it's curling back upwards, but does this curl upwards actually have enough strength? Does it have legitimate power to be able to break back up above that $23.50 mark? Now, don't get me wrong. If the price breaks above there, that doesn't mean that the thing's shooting back up to $26. But at that point, it does start to make a little bit more sense to say, okay, yeah, looking like there might be some genuine, power behind the bounce. But as of now, any sort of upwards movements, you just don't want to get caught in some sort of just up and down movement where it's just chopping down below that area. But if the price can, like I said, clear itself up through $23.50, that doesn't mean everything's perfectly fine, but it does mean that a significant little hurdle has been wiped out of the way. And, that's definitely where anything bigger is going to start, is you got to take those small steps first. Now, as far as areas of support are concerned, I think the price bounced right off of that previous low. I'm not sure, though. Let me see that. Almost. Went actually a little bit below, but going into the day right here at 22.75, that had been an important area of support right there that, produced a nice upwards bounce. And then right here, you can see that tested, like I said, price dropped slightly below it, but for argument's sake, did a good job, fantastic job of holding strong right there. So 22.75 remains that key level of support, which going back, you can see has quite a bit of a track record of holding that support. So good to see that once again, it held strong right there. But in the event 22.75 is broken, next key level of support after that would then be down there right around that former breakout point, gap close location around $22.10. So overall, another rough day today, but we'll see how this one closes out the week on Friday. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.